first step in the restoration process is going to be rebuilding another one of these so that I can put one of them on this one and one of them on a new one. So I'm just going to use scrap wood that I already have. So I'm going to measure out what the previous person used to create this one. It seems to be pretty sturdy, even with 2 engines on it. So I know that copying what the previous person did, what already works, will work for me. So I'm going to take down all the measurements of post here, these pieces, the bottom piece, and I'm going to try and create it in a very similar manner to how the previous person created it. Okay, so we have a few different parts. We have 30 inches here for this part. Obviously this, depending on what type of motor you have, may change heights. 17 across here is what they have. Depending on what wood I have available, I might go a little bit smaller. And they actually have it where this piece here is supported directly on these ones. They cut a notch out on the back side, so a normal 2x4 goes down, and they would have cut a little piece out of it. These pieces here are 12 inches from longest point to longest point, and the base is around 20. Obviously, you can work with what wood you have around your shop, but I'm going to try and stay within around those numbers to create a second stand for this one here. If I'm not able to create one for this one's a little bit shorter, so if for some reason I don't have 30-inch pieces or can't do it with the wood I have here, I'll try and make it for this one. It's on there. Step one done. Now I can start tearing them apart.